3 ways to know the average individually. Part 2. Average with pivot table. Convert the table into proper Excel table. Click on Table Design. In the Tools part, click on Summarize with Pivot Table. Select existing sheet for pivot table to be placed. Here we will select location in the sheet, where pivot table will show. Click OK. Here we want the average by month. So, drag the month into rows and revenue into calculation box. In calculation box, it shows the sum instead of average. Go to Value Field Settings, select Average, OK. It will be a dynamic pivot table since your table is a proper Excel table. Means, if you do any change and then refresh the table after pressing Alt-Control F5, the changes will reflect in pivot table. Thanks for watching.